Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights into the latest gadgets. Today, we're diving into the SereneLife Small Air Conditioner Portable 10,000 BTU with built-in dehumidifier. If you're on the hunt for the best electric AC unit on the market, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. This portable AC packs a punch with its 10,000 BTU cooling capacity, perfect for rooms up to 450 square feet. It's not just about cooling. This unit also doubles as a dehumidifier, helping to keep your space fresh and comfortable. What I love about it is the easy setup. Simply plug it in and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with a handy remote control for added convenience. Let's talk functionality. With 3 operating modes, cooling, dehumidifier, and fan, this AC unit adapts to your needs effortlessly. Whether you're battling summer heat or just need a bit of air circulation, it does the job effectively. Oh, and did I mention the automatic swing mode? It ensures maximum air circulation throughout the room. Moving on to design, this unit scores high marks. It's sleek and compact, weighing just 46 pounds. The smooth wheels and side handles make it a breeze to move from room to room. Plus, it blends well with any decor, a bonus for those who appreciate aesthetics. Maintenance is a cinch. The double-layer washable filter traps dust and particles, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. It's a simple task to remove and clean, extending the life of your AC unit. Let's talk energy efficiency. With a seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER, of 10.5. This unit is designed to keep energy costs down without compromising on performance. It's a win-win for your comfort and your wallet. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay cool.